Welcome to my video on Resell Rights, how to work less and make more. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Of all the resell types on the market, the most profitable is the PLR. It allows you to sign your name to the material as if you are the author, put your company links throughout the content, and make the product appear to be all your own. There are three main types of PLR content. Let's have a look. Number 1, PLR E-books and Articles. PLR e-books and articles have been around for a long time. Not only are they the most popular PLR choice, they are by far the most efficient, and they offer an opportunity for significant revenue when played properly. E-books range in length from 20 to 50 pages. They are an effortless product when it comes to marketing, and they are often sold through a pre-made sales page or website. When a proper sales letter is used, they can become highly appealing and the resale value is considerably higher. E-books and articles are the number one choices in PLR content. They can be used in a number of ways. You can convert the e-book into articles, while you can take a set of articles and convert them into an e-book. This content can be used in newsletters and in blogs. There's a great deal of flexibility here. Number 2, PLR scripts. Scripts are like software, which can be used on websites. They are extremely versatile and much more convenient than traditional software. PLR scripts can easily be converted to your own products and used. You can also upload them to any website and begin to perform right away. There are a number of sites that offer PLR scripts, and the pricing of these is very low. There are autoresponders, graphics, auto, and websites that are already built. A bit of scouting around and you'll find exactly what it is you are looking for. Number 3, PLR software products. When you find a top-notch PLR software product, it's worth investing. Most PLR software has a higher resale value than other forms of PLR content. Always do your research before investing in PLR software. It generally comes with customer support and knowledge bases, and provides an excellent choice for a niche market. There is a hidden danger with PLR software, and that's the lack of customer and technical support. If a software program does not run properly and there is no support, it's you they are going to be angry with. What's the solution? Making sure the support is there. If you are looking for an opportunity to increase your revenues, you'll want to consider PLR content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.